Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can generate free leads and nurture them using kvCORE. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, licensed realtor with eXp Realty Brokerage here in Toronto, and our channel is all about Toronto real estate investing, wealth mindset, and marketing. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on new content. So now let's get started. I'm going to make my image a little bit smaller so that you can see more of the content of what I'm going to show you today. So let's pull that to the side. So for those that don't know how to arrive at this page, this is kvCORE on the back end. So you're going to use your login to come in here. So I'm using my account right now. So kvcore.exp.com. Obviously, this is available to agents for free when you join eXp. So when you come on the left-hand menu, you're going to click the function called listings, and you'll arrive at this page that you're looking at right now, and it gives you a list of listings that are available on MLS. There's a number of ways you can use this page. You can come here and put in a particular MLS ID and search a property that way. You can use the filter function here to look up properties that you're looking for. What I love about this is actually the draw on map function, where you can highlight a particular geographical area and choose a particular location that you're looking for and apply filters that way. Or you can choose a number of properties here and directly send those listings to your leads and your clients in your database, and you can text those listings to your folks as well as boost those property and use some add function as well directly through this page. Now I'm going to show you some cool techniques in order to nurture your leads and also to generate some free leads. So let's click on just one particular property, and it's going to take you to this page again in the back end of the information that are available for this property. It gives you all the information from MLS ID to an overview of the property amenities and features, as well as a gallery, a map, and so on. Here's a really cool technique. So when you click this direct link, is going to take you to this page, and this page is what is available publicly, that your end users and your leads will be able to see when you share. So there's a number of ways how you can use this link. What I love about this page is that obviously I love the layout. It has a really nice beautiful images to the side. It gives you function on the sides that whether you can share it, you can do a virtual tour, as well as save this property or print a flyer. It gives you a list of the address and information about this property, and it shows you as the agent, which is a really nice bonus when it comes to running ads using those links, as well as using them to share using your network as well as social media. So now let's get back to the kvCORE on the back end. So on the right hand side, if you look here, it's called send email. You're going to click that function. It's going to open up this pop-up. Here are some ways you can create a customized email going directly to your leads that this property may be of interest to them, and you're trying to again ensure that you're top of mind and nurturing, and you're using all these techniques for that follow-up game, right? So there's templates that are available that you can use through here. Personally, when I'm sending out text messages and email, I like to write up my own content, a customized email. And remember, in kvCORE, all of that is tracked, so you know exactly where you left off with the particular lead. So you're able to pick up from that conversation. You can obviously add in an email subject here. What I love about this feature is the advanced editor. So when you go here, you're really creating a marketing piece, a marketing email that's going to go directly to your leads and potential clients. I'm going to show you some ways you can edit this. You can throw in a quick intro or a liner, maybe your tagline. You can add in your image, a banner with you and your logo. You can add in a button that goes directly to the listing as well, or to a virtual tour. And maybe you have a small clip of the virtual tour or a video from this property that you can add to this email. And maybe you want to add in some social media posts, social media links, so that people are able to follow you and keep you in contact with you as well in a number of different ways. And then you could press send. So really you're building this really easily put together a marketing piece in order to get their attention and to stay top of mind and to nurture them. Yes, close that up. There's another function in here that you can use as well. On the right hand corner, you can side, you can click on those three little dots and it'll pull up this menu. And I love this first function. Again, you can use a very similar thing. Now you're texting them so that you're getting into their phone. So you can click on the lead type that you want to send this to. Send a canned response. You can use, again, a customized response that is available through kvCORE, a template, or you can create your own messages. Personally, I have a particular tone and personality to the way that I work with my clients, and I want to maintain that tone of voice. So I write my own content. And you can put in your MLS ID through here, and you can send them a text as well, which is a really cool function. And what I love about kvCORE is that when you send out these emails, you could see if somebody has opened it and checked as well, especially in particular if you're following a particular lead to see what their journey is like. It's very important that you are understanding their communication journey and behavior. Here's another function I'm going to show you. You can email to a hashtag. So what this means is when you're running ads, whether you're running Facebook ads, whether you're running a campaign, you can attach the hashtag to this campaign that you ran. So when you have people coming in, a particular audience that you were targeting through using this hashtag, this ad, you would allocate a hashtag for them so that when you're running campaigns to nurture them, you can use the hashtag to search up these leads so they're categorized in a particular way. So let's say I want to send this listing to all my buyer's guide ads that I ran. It'll pull up the buyer's guide leads that I got. I have 4 leads that are attributed to this from this ad, and I'm going to press send, and it's going to go directly to those folks. You can do a very similar thing, but you can text them as well. Again, why this is important and why you want to use all of this function is because, again, it's about getting in top of mind. You also wanted to try different ways to get to your leads as well and communicate with them. Not every lead, and remember guys, it all comes back to your follow-up. Right? It doesn't matter how many leads you have. It doesn't matter how many big of a sphere you have. But if you're not communicating in the best way possible, then you're not going to get their attention and to potentially convert them. So, and that conversion, right? So, you want to hit them from every level possible that they're able to keep you as top of mind, whether it's through email, whether it's through text, because every client is a little bit different. So again, you're going to come here and you're going to click the hashtag that is particular to your audience. Let's say I want to send this to some of my particular buyer leads category. I have 12 under here that is assigned the buyer hashtag, and I'm going to write up a customized text message to go directly to them with this listing. And here's another function. You're going to click on those 3 dots again, and it's going to pull up this menu. You can generate a QR code. And again, it's all about having a marketing strategy. You can use this in a number of different ways. And that's why I work with my clients and my teammates and people who've signed with me to work with me to mentor them using different functions within kvCORE and the tools that we have readily available to ensure that we are nurturing and generating leads. Here's a really cool function. So you're going to take your phone and you're going to scan this QR code, and it's going to take you directly to this listing page. So there's a number of different ways you can leverage this QR code to generate leads and to generate free leads. So again, it's about putting together that marketing strategy and implementing this QR code in a number of different campaigns to generate that lead. That's going to take them directly to this link, and they're going to potentially contact you from here, or they're going to enter their information and they're going to get extracted directly integrated into kvCORE where you can nurture them and get in contact with them. So using those 3 dots, you're going to pull down that menu. You're going to click on something called a print flyer. I love this function. It puts together a branded marketing piece that you don't need to hire anyone to do. Within a click of a button, it gives you this beautiful piece that is created, that is targeting, that is for this property, that has all the information. It's kind of like a booklet for this property that a lot of agents spend a lot of money to create, which gives you a really nice booklet that you can easily print and deliver and drop it off to the folks that are living in the area or wherever. Again, it's all about that strategy, having a goal in mind and going after these clients and to generate them so that you can nurture them, and then you can convert them. So you're going to click on those 3 dots. You can also, here's another function. You can post to Facebook, and there's again boost property. You can do an ad, but here's another way you can do it for free. You're going to click post to Facebook. It opened up on my husband. His Facebook is open right now, but that's okay. Again, remember guys, there's a number of different ways to generate free leads. You have your sphere, people that are on your Facebook, that are your friends, colleagues, family. You are going to start sharing some particular properties with them that, remember, like Steve Jobs says, if People need to see things to know what they want. So you want to show these kind of things to people so that they know. Sorry about that. That's my little baby that's screaming in the background, my little toddler. So you want to be able to share these properties with people that that might be looking, that might be of interest, but who quite haven't gotten in touch with you. And you kind of a little bit gently reminding them, hey, there's some really cool properties in the market. Have you started looking at? Maybe this is a place where you want to start. Maybe they'll start clicking on this link, and then you'll hopefully get a lead coming through here as well. And then it'll take them directly to this page. Once again, that's why this direct link is very key, and it's a really unique feature that I love about, and this function that I love. It's, again, to generate some free leads, and you can run in some different Facebook ads through there if you want to generate using Facebook ads, paid function obviously, but today we're talking about generating free leads, and you could share them through Twitter and Pinterest. But then you can also, this is the last function feature that I'm going to show you, is post to Craigslist. And here is a strategy where you are going to share these properties on free listings that a lot of other people are on looking for properties. These buyers are going out and looking and searching, and these platforms already have such a massive following, and you want to encourage, and I encourage you to leverage this using this direct link. So you're going to implement this property. Again, before you start marketing this property, you want to get permission, a written permission from the listing agent, so that you have from the seller giving you permission to promote this property. You're going to take this property, if it's not already on all these places, you're going to start promoting them on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, all these other free listings, to ensure that you bring in potentially a buyer for this property, or you now have a buyer that you're working with to find a property for them. It was awesome spending some time with you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was super helpful for you. Tons of different ways for you to really generate leads and nurture them using kvCORE. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.